This is about recognizing companies, large, small, medium-sized companies that have made big investments all around this state.
All of you here are the future of Massachusetts. You've demonstrated resilience and stamina and found a way to grow your business in a really difficult economic environment. You are all playing such an important role in the health and recovery of our economy by creating jobs and driving innovation here in Massachusetts.
I think that Western Mass is on the cusp of something exciting.
Home to hundreds of manufacturers and many large OEMs.
There's a lot of recreation developing in the area, and we're excited to be part of that development.
We are a precision machining facility catering to the aerospace, defense, and highly technical markets. The company originated in Massachusetts. It is home to many precision machining facilities in what we call the Aerospace Alley. We're very proud of the machinists, the engineers that we have. We're very fortunate to have many vocational schools around us, as well as the technical colleges that are hands-on, and they are the pipeline for our future. We're just proud to be growing and for this award.
Citizens in MassEcon are thrilled to recognize your hard work, your ingenuity, determination, and contributions to the Commonwealth.
You have committed as companies to grow your organization, to invest in your people, and invest in Massachusetts. And that's what we're here to celebrate.